DS. Meet the Robinsons. Oh, I got a DS. My DS. It's here. It's a DS. It's a DS. Santa brought me a DS. This is so cool. DS.
Camden.
I got a DS.
Okay, why don't we show Camden what Santa brought for him?
Oh, this is so awesome. He had enough for a DS. He heard me. That's all I wanted was a DS. Now I can't get anywhere.
Yeah.
So let's find Camden's
Look
gift
over
from
there.
Santa.
Look over there.
Help him.
Okay.
Give me your game. Give me your game here.
Oh, he has a four-wheeler. He has a spring four-wheeler.
And hand me your plug so it doesn't get lost. Okay, help him.
Here, Cam. I'll get the.
Take the present off of there.
Ooh. Oh, this is so good. That's Santa brought me a DS.
Okay, bring his four-wheeler out so we can...
Try to ride it? Oh, this is a heavy four-wheeler. I guess it's real.
Camden, yay!
Whoa! You can press buttons on it.
Good.
You can press these buttons. You press these buttons.
Thank
I want to
you.
try that. See what happens.
No,
That-
that's his.
Oh, this is backwards. That's frontwards. That's backwards. I just need to know which one was the opposite.
Push the button. Right here.
Right there. Or push the button.
Put your feet up.
Put your feet up.
Here.
Push the button.
Push it. Push the button. Now push it.
Now you steer with this side.
Or push it.
Yeah. Keep on pushing it and you'll learn how to do it.
Where's this one?
I want to play Meet the Robinsons. He did eat the cookie.
Oh no, let's open our presents first, okay?
But I want to play my DS.
I know. Let's open all our presents. Go put this back into the tray. Show them how to push it.
And I can't believe this worked for DS. DSS.
Push the button to make it go. Push it hard.
Huh? It's a plug.
Mm-hmm.
Did you see
I
that?
can't believe I figured that out.
Do you want to open your gift now?
I want to open.
Or the open your stocking?
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to open my stocking. Dad, excuse
I'll
me.
get the hang of it.
I'm gonna open my stuff.
Don't take the tack out. Just pull it off the tack.
I know that's all I need to do.
Push the button.
Candy!
Go, Camden, go. Push the
More
button.
candy!
Hold it in with your thumb.
Grandma Santa.
That's a push pop.
Push pop.
Push. Push. Push.
And I got a candy
Push.
and some more candy.
Yay!
Push.
Camden.
And some more candy.
Push the button.
Okay.
And my
Put
push
your
pop.
Put your stocking down. Yep. Lots of candy.
I got lots of candy.
Mhm.
A whole bunch of candy. I. Oh my God! It's a push pop and a candy.
Yay.
You can leave it down, Evan. You can leave it down.
No, I want to put that up.
Ask Daddy for help.
I don't need any help.
You can turn.
Is that fine? Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, let's open our other gifts now.
Okay. I'm
Want
gonna,
to turn on that light
No.
so this is better?
I'm gonna open the next one. The next
Just turn it
present.
off. We don't need to.
I'm gonna open the next present. I wanna try.
Why don't you give one to your brother?
I'm gonna try this one, and I'm gonna give the one to Camden.
I think his are over here.
Huh?
I think his are over here.
Here. That was mine. That was mine. Okay, this one's Camden's. See?
Let me see. Let me see what you got. This is for both of you guys to share.
Oh,
He can open it.
Cause
Rip it. Rip it. What's inside?
I got a card.
Let me see. All right, Matchbox.
Huh?
Matchbox car.
Oh, I know what that is. It's that game for the Xbox. You remember a long time ago from the Xbox?
Xbox.
Yeah, and we had that car and that helicopter guy.
Oh, yeah, it's just like that.
Because look,
That was for the PlayStation game.
yeah.
Yay!
Oh, he got a butterfly.
Okay, how about we put all the paper right here so that when we're done we can throw it all away, okay?
Okay.
I just love my DS.
Okay, give it
There's
here.
more things wrapped up over there.
I'm gonna open my DS supplies. Okay?
It's all in here. Let's open your presents, okay? It's all right here.
Just keep it together.
Good job. Is this Camden's?
Where's this short? Doesn't even
That's
have
for you. Get one for Camden too, okay?
Camden, here's yours. And I think it's really good for you. It helps you learn.
Sit down right there and open it.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just go like.
Okay.